Heavy security deployment was witnessed at Uganda Central Police Station MASAKA as two legislators responded to the summons over the gruesome murders by machete-wielding attackers in Greater Masaka.
Heavy deployment has only one answer. Why don't you deploy these people to look for the killers in the areas where they are killing people?
SSEGIRINYA Muhammad, Kawempe North legislator, and SSEWANYANA Machindi East legislator appeared at Central Police Station MASAKA heavily guarded. The two were represented by the Lord Mayor Erias Lukwago and Shamim Malende, the woman member of parliament for Kampala, as their lawyers. The leader of opposition appeared at CPS to rally behind the summoned MPs, but was later seen standing outside the police station.
No, certainly the police is a very small place. They don't have seats. The officers are occupied by interrogators, and so it's okay. They can have their space. They have no problem.
The MPs had expectations from the interrogation process of the two legislators from the capital city, Kampala.
Anyone can be summoned. Anyone can be summoned and can be suspected. But it's the way you handle him that matters. So whether they are genuine or not, I cannot determine that as a lawyer.
At the end of the interrogation, SSEWANYANA and Muhammad SSEGIRINYA were charged with murder and attempted murder.
Three of which were of murder, which they allege happened on the 23rd of August this year at a village called Setara village in Senyange Kabonera division within Masaka district or city here, that on that night they committed murder of 3 people.
It has been established that the MPs had meetings in Kampala with some of the suspects arrested in connection to the murders in Greater Masaka.
So it was basically about general inquiry. We asked a number of questions relating to the ongoing matters here, and eventually they recorded a general statement, but subsequent to that they were directed to record the charge and caution statement.
The two legislators are expected to report back to Central Police Station Masaka on 7th September at midday. Ivan Kahwa, UBC News in Masaka.